This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Ryan Palmer. Immaculately maintained home with loads of upgrades in popular Oakhurst neighborhood. The main floor features an open concept floor plan with tin ceilings, crown molding, marble gas fireplace, and hardwoods throughout. The kitchen is a chef's dream with quartz countertops, large island, walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, gas range with double oven, wine fridge, and gorgeous restoration hardware pendant lighting. The study has beautiful French doors, West Elm lighting and mounted CB2 shelves to convey. On the second floor, the primary bedroom offers 2 walk-in closets and an ensuite bath with upgraded West Elm mirrors and shower with premium brass finishes. The other bedrooms boast a Jack and Jill bath with tile upgrades. The yard is flat and fully fenced, offering plenty of privacy. The one-car garage is connected to a large driveway that allows for 2 parking spots.